Greetings and salutations on this fine and lovely Friday, July 24th, 2025. Yes, and this is the journal update for today. I was delayed by a day just for shits and grins, and my door did not open. It's still standing and still shut, which is great. Titan is at a lovely 100%. That's nice. The house and the shed are both still standing. That's great. The gas bag is, well, still deflated for the most part. I'm worried about that. Let's see, the plants in the greenhouse, well, it's wintertime and it's a wind tunnel in there, so what's alive is alive. I think there's going to be there's going to be a lot of starting over again this year, but the figs are looking kick-ass, and the blueberries and all those guys, they're doing good, but starting to think about planting season. We got icicles on the water tower, but everything's still in place. I have to reprime the house. And despite the fact that we got a lot of snow, probably about 2 inches in Raleigh, it doesn't look like we got any snow 1 hour north here in Oxford. So there's just leftovers from the previous snow, which is nice. So I was a little shocked by that. And of course, the project for the weekend is the completion of the front doors systems. Of course, I got to put in a center backing for the doors, and so I can put the latches on and build the door and just sandwich style. And let's, while we're at it, go see and make sure that the door still opens and closes as it did before I left. Yep, still works. That's nice. So I got a good insulated door this time. I might even put a window in there someday in the future. So, that's the update for this Friday, January 24th, 2024. And we'll play again real soon. And now to conclude a wonderful weekend, glorious weekend of bitter cold, we have endeavored to create ourselves a door. The door, of course, has been hanging for a couple of weeks now, but it's all sort of buttoned up as far as functionality is concerned. And we have a nice mating surface here in the middle, which the exterior panels of these boards were, of course, harvested from pallets. And let's see, we did the hardware. So we have a latching door now, closes nice and easy, swings easy, and boy, it takes a long time to do shit. When you're a guy like me, bound and determined to do it the hard way from scratch with limited materials. I do have this one problem though. I gotta wedge something in there so this doesn't fall all the way, because otherwise, either that or just move that up. Anywho, so let's see what else. That was pretty much this weekend's activities. Of course, continued buttoning up. So putting this border down here, which I foresee in the future going to be a bit of a step problem. Might be a trip hazard, but and nobody said this was going to be safe. But as long as it works. Anyway, I had to step these up. I have a little bit of a slant on the door, and I guess that's a result of a slight slant on the frame. And although I remember measuring, it's exactly 10 feet, 10 feet, 10 feet, 10 feet. Well, okay, so no, this is 10 feet, that's 10 feet, and these are 8 feet, 96 inches. So, anyway, just making it work, that's what we're doing, making it work. So the door works, and it works nicely. I gotta get weather seal and, the small tightening up and buttoning up of things. And then next weekend, hopefully the second door will go by a lot faster. But, yeah, another glorious weekend off grid. And thanks for joining. Enjoy the peace of nature.